Hello folks, in this video I'm going to show you that how will you claim for internet installation charges and router charges in TCS. This is going to be very informative, so please don't skip any part of this video and watch this video till the end. I regularly upload IT job vacancies for fresher and experienced. I also upload videos like this for TCS, Infosys and many others. So please subscribe my channel before starting this video. Trust me, this YouTube channel will be very helpful for you and your friends. So please share this video to your friends and your TCS WhatsApp Telegram groups. So in TCS you get a maximum of rupees 2500 for installation and 2000 for device. If you are a new joinee, I just tell you that TCS is a great company. TCS take cares of you in every step of your life. So please work hard and you also take care of TCS like them. So let's get back to the topic. If you are TCS employee and working from home, you must install Wi-Fi at your home because TCS refund your charges and you will have an internet connection in your home basically without any cost. So with Wi-Fi you will be working more efficiently and hassle free. So let's start this video. You will get your reimbursed amount in the same salary account which you have given in the TCS. So for the claim you have only six simple steps. Step 1, go to the Ultimatics and log in Ultimatics. I've hide some sensitive data for privacy and security purpose. So after login to the Ultimatics, go to the global ESS. Here you can see the global ESS. Click on this one. Now go to the claim and advances. You can see the claim and advances here, and now go to apply for claim. uh, yeah this page will appear. All the claims payment will be credited to your salary account. I have told you earlier that the claim will be credited to your salary account. Click on OK. Click OK again. Now scroll down, click on add new claim. Okay, plus add new claim. So at first you have to upload your bill. Suppose this is my bill. I have uploaded this one. Now click here, communication expenses COVID-19. Select this option. They are trying to pre-fill your claim form. Now on the first blank here, sub claim head, click on the device expense. Okay, device expense. Now the sworn number will automatically appear here, and now you have to write the device detail, which router you have, or suppose this is a router reimbursement. Okay, so the device detail, the router, suppose I have written the router, and suppose you have the router of mi router, and number of associate, write one because only you are using this router and Wi-Fi connection. Now the bill number, you write your bill number here. Okay, and then the bill amount of the router. Okay, so suppose the router cost you around 1999. Okay, so as I've told you that maximum 2000 rupees is limited for the employee. Rupees 2000 maximum router price will be bear by the TCS. Suppose you have a router which cost you around 2500 rupees, so you will get 2000 rupees and the rest 500 rupees will be taken care by you only. Okay, now the remarks, you have to write the remark, uh, router cost reimbursement. Okay, reimburse. Now valid date and proceed, and after that you have to click on this checkbox. I confirm that I have read the terms and conditions related to the claim in reimbursement policy and I will abide with them. And after checking this one, you have to submit. Okay, and after submit, on the bottom side you will have the validate and proceed. Okay, validate and proceed and then submit. After submitting this one, you will get the charges in your bank account, and that's all you have to do. You will get your reimbursed internet claim charges to your bank account in the next 15th of the month. Okay, so I have also made a separate video on how to claim internet monthly charges from TCS. I have given the link of that video in the card and below in the video description also. Please go and watch that video too. If you have any queries, please write your queries in the video comment box, and I will make a separate Q&A video for all the questions you have asked. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Till then, work hard and subscribe to my channel. Bye.